we've been getting a lot of comparisons to this, like, thing with these, like, amphibian reptiles. We don't know what you're all talking about. We're just a bunch of people that like to party and talk about ninja stuff and eat pizza and fight crime. So we wrote this song for all of you about these, what are they called? Turtles? Turtles.
They're amphibians.
Tortoises. Reptiles.
Also, on a personal note, I want to thank you guys for being here, and let's all stick around for Turtles 2 and get fucking crazy as shit. What do you say?